Hello there. Just like to share a little quick diagnostic for you today. 2011 GMC Acadia, and the customer brought it in because sometimes it doesn't start, and I have some people that aren't very good about asking questions about what it's exactly doing, so that's pretty much all I got. But it started right up for me when I grabbed it out of the parking lot and brought it in. Check engine light was on, and went ahead and got the scanner hooked up. And this is the code that we have. We have a P0496, evaporative emissions, system flow during non-purge. So, next thing that we need to do is get to the purge solenoid. So take you out under the hood and we'll take a look at that real quick. Alright, we're under the hood now. This has the 3.6 liter V6, and right down here this is the purge solenoid. So what I'm going to do is we're going to go ahead and pull that line off. There's a little green tab here. There's one on the other side that you can't see. And just pinch those and then pull it off. We're also going to take the electrical connector off here. Now, with it in this state, there should be no vacuum coming out of this port when we start it up. So we got a vacuum gauge right here. I'm going to go ahead and hook that up. Okay, there's our vacuum gauge. So when we start this up, there should be zero vacuum. Wow, looks like we have some vacuum there. Just over 20, about 10 inches. So that valve is not sealing when it should be. Alright. So what I think is happening is she's going to the gas station. She's filling up on fuel. The purge solenoid is stuck open, so fuel vapors are filling up the intake manifold and then essentially flooding the car out, so it won't start immediately, and then after a few tries it starts up and runs. So that's what we're going to go with. We're going to call them up, see if we can sell them a purge solenoid, and more than likely that's all the problems that this has. So see if we can do a little continuation here.